Vala's, I think, is a little bit of a unique business as far as cider production. We're only open for 2 months a year, from about mid-September through the end of October, primarily for that fall festival, Halloween season. This year was our 40th anniversary, and we've been wildly successful in that avenue of business. People have been coming to our farm for generations and stuff to enjoy making memories with their family and stuff, and coming back year after year and experiencing picking pumpkins and apples in our U-Pick orchard. That's primarily what Vala's Pumpkin Patch is about. As far as challenges with the old machine, it was like an accordion bag style. It worked well. When the apple quality started to go down, it was tough to get the pomace out of the bags and stuff when we would dump. And therefore it started taking a longer and longer time. The crew would get fatigued, productivity would go down. We had to wash those bags. Those bags were just a nightmare to wash. Like, one of our workers, she would spend 5 or 6 hours just hosing them out. We were always able to just barely keep up, I feel like, with the old press. It was getting to the point where we were pressing into January and February, and the apple quality was really started to take a turn for the worse and stuff. So we had to do something to increase the speed. About a 300% increase in the amount of fruit that we could process in a day. We were doing about 8.5 tons on the previous press in a good day, and our best day this last season was 25.5 tons. With the old press, it was usually about 6 of us running around. We've pretty much eliminated most of those spots. Someone sorts the apples, someone brings the bins in. I kind of watch it, make sure that it's going good. We've seen about a 50% reduction in the required labor. We kind of had a custom in-feed line built. Nathan and I were able to plan it out and design it in such a way that the machine literally just rolled into our press room. I hooked it up, and 2 days later we were pressing apple. It could not have gone any smoother or been any more hassle-free. We're experiencing a lot of growth rapidly, like 20%, 30% year over year, which is just a wild amount of growth in this sort of business. The new press is going to make us meet that demand. And without the new press, we'd be stuck trying to press apples. It's an important part of our growth and expansion program. With the increase in productivity and the decrease in the labor, I believe our press has almost paid for itself this year alone. Make sure that you have a complete process design. Talk with Nathan and Remo. They are a crack team at getting things figured out and making sure you've got a process that's going to work great for you. Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with Juicing Systems, to be quite honest, at this point.